When you fund a Forex account from Nigeria, your Naira usually gets converted to dollars at whatever rate the broker or payment processor decides to give you. A Forex Naira account removes that step entirely, which saves you on conversion fees, simplifies your deposits and withdrawals, and gives you a clearer picture of what you actually have. The catch is that not every broker offers one, and the ones that do vary a lot in quality. I'm Michael, and in this video, I'll walk you through the best 6 brokers that fully support Naira accounts, what each one does well, and how to pick the one that fits your trading style. This video is based on our article on Trading Beasts. The link to the article and to every broker mentioned is in the description below. First on the list is HFM, one of the most widely used brokers among Nigerian traders. HFM supports Naira as a base account currency, which already removes a big friction point for local traders. What stands out about HFM is flexibility. There are 5 account types: Premium, Cent, Zero, Pro, and Pro Plus. The Premium and Cent accounts have no set minimum deposit, with bank transfers starting at just 4,000 NGN, which makes HFM one of the easier brokers to get into if you're starting small. Spreads depend on the account. Premium and Cent start from around 1.4 pips. Pro goes down to 0.6 pips, and Pro Plus can drop to 0.2 pips. The Zero account runs raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a commission of on Forex $3 per side per lot. Forex trading on the other accounts is commission free. You get access to over 500 CFD instruments across Forex, metals, indices, stocks, energies, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms include MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and HFM's own platform. In terms of regulatory oversight, HM is fully incorporated in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. The broker is also regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa and by the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles, among others. Next is Exness, another major name in Nigeria, and one of the strongest options if you want to start small. Minimum deposits begin at around $10, roughly 16,000 Naira. Exness is known for competitive pricing across the board. Standard accounts start from 0.2 pips with no commission. The standard Cent account begins around 0.3 pips. The raw spread account starts at 0.0 pips with a commission of up to $3.50 per side per lot. And the Zero account also offers 0.0 pip spreads, but with a much smaller commission of just 5 cents per side per lot. Well, you can trade CFDs on Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies through MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness terminal, and the Exness mobile app. Exness is regulated in several jurisdictions, including the Capital Markets Authority in Kenya, the Financial Services Authority in Seychelles, and the Financial Services Commission in the British Virgin Islands, among others. Moving on to Okta, a broker that also supports Naira, accounts for Nigerian traders and is known for its simple pricing structure. All its accounts come with spreads starting from around 0.8 pips and no commission charges. The minimum deposit to open an account is 30,000 Naira. Okta offers CFDs on Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and crypto, all accessible through MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the OktaTrader platform. Furthermore, Okta is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including South Africa and Mali, which adds some level of oversight, although traders should always still consider regulatory strength carefully. Next is FXTM, another established broker that supports Naira-based accounts for Nigerian traders. FXTM offers different account tiers, including a Cent account. The minimum deposit accepted by the broker is $200, which is approximately 274,410 Naira. FXTM gives access to more than 1,000 CFD trading instruments, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Traders can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's own mobile app. In terms of pricing, the Advantage account offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips with a commission of around $3.50 per lot, while the Advantage Plus account uses wider spreads starting from about 1.5 pips, but without commissions. FXTM is regulated by authorities such as the Financial Services Commission of the Republic in Mauritius and the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, among others. Last on our list is Hantech Markets, which also supports Naira accounts. The minimum deposit required by the broker depends on the account a trader chooses. This broker gives access to over 2,500 CFD instruments, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, bullion, and crypto CFDs. Hantech supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as its own mobile trading applications, Account types include cent and standard accounts, with spreads starting from around 1.2 pips on cent accounts and as low as zero point 0.1 pips on standard accounts, depending on market conditions. Some instruments may also include commissions depending on the asset class. On regulations, Hontech Markets holds licenses from the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK and the Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, among others. That concludes our list. But how do you actually choose the best broker with a Naira account? Four things matter most. The first is account currency and deposit options. Genuine NGN support is the foundation here, not a nice to have. Every broker on this list clears that bar, so you'll need to weigh other factors to decide between them. 2. Trading costs. Look at spreads and commissions together, not separately. If you trade often or use short-term strategies, small differences add up quickly. 3. Platforms and tools. MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or a proprietary platform all come with trade-offs. Pick what fits your workflow and your execution needs. 4. Regulation. Not all licenses are equal. Strong regulators like the FSCA, ASIC, or FSCA offer real protection. Weaker regulations offer much less. And one bonus point: customer support and local deposit options. You only appreciate these when something goes wrong or you need funds fast, but they make a huge difference when that moment comes. That's the rundown. As always, do your own research, understand the risks involved in trading, and choose a broker that fits your goals.